Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for 20th May, that is tomorrow. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So tomorrow is the weekly expiry contract is going to be expiring. So the max spin level is at 15,000 level. So if market was to expire tomorrow at 15,000 level, in that scenario, call and put option buyers of 15,000 strike are going to suffer a huge amount of losses, as on expiry large percentage of options they expire worthless. If we analyze the overall open interest data, you will see that maximum amount of calls have been written at 15,100 strike, and highest amount of puts have been written at 14,900 strike. So it gives us a 300 point range for the index, with max pain lying in at the middle at 15,000 levels. So if you were to see what happened in intraday today, the change in open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 15,250 strike, 15,100 strike, and you will notice that out of the money calls, they also saw their open interest reduce. So out of the money call option buyers, they booked their losses, and out of the money call option writers, they booked their profits. And if you were to see, you will also be able to see that in the money calls like 14,600, 14,700, 14,800, and 14,900 strike. So they saw their open interest reduce as well. So in the money call option buyers, they book the profits, and uh, call option writers, they book their losses. And if you were to see what happened in puts, you will see that highest amount of puts were written at 14,850 strike. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above its open 14,481, and on the weekly time frame as well, market is currently under control of buyers as it is trading above its opening price, which is 14,056. And if you see the daily time frame, you will see that today there was conflict because market was trading below its opening print. So there was no full time frame continuity in the market, as on the daily time frame, market was under control of sellers as it closed below its opening price. And in terms of price structure, you will see we have made a first lower high and a new lower low in terms of price structure. So based on the price structure, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,030, we can trade towards today's highs, and beyond that 15,167 and potentially 15,209 levels, and below today's lows, we can trade towards 14,974 to 14,932 level, and potentially 14,883 levels. And the neutral price range for today is 15,030 to 15,008. If market was to trade tomorrow in between this range, one can refrain from making any trades. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for today are Cholafin, M&M, Rain Industries, and Indian Bank. So let's start with Cholafin. We'll look for buying opportunity above 554.45 or selling opportunity below 541.3 levels. In Mahindra and Mahindra, we'll look for buying opportunity above 794.1 level, or buying opportunity above 794.1 level, or selling opportunity below 777.9 levels. Our third stock is Rain Industries. In this, we'll look for buying opportunity above 178.5 level, or selling opportunity below 172.3 levels. And final stock for today is Indian Bank. We'll look for buying opportunity above 128.1 or selling opportunity below 123.9 levels. So this is our neutral watch list, which comprises of inside candles. That is, we can trade either side of the we can trade them either long or short depending upon where they break out tomorrow. If they trade in between today's high-low range itself, in that scenario, will not be making any trades. However, if they break either side of the high-low range, we'll look to establish position in that direction. And I would also like to inform you that around 9:45 or 10 p.m. I would be posting a long or short bias watch list as well, in which we would definitely have a view regarding what is likely to happen in that stock. So stay tuned for that blog post as well. It would be coming around 10 p.m. tonight. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 15,030 we can trade towards 15,133, 15,167 level and potentially 15,209 level. And below 15,008 we can trade towards 14,974, 14,932 and potentially 14,883 levels. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 15,100 to 14,900 with max pain being at 15,000 levels. So if market was to expire tomorrow around 15,000 odd levels, in that scenario call and put option buyers, they're going to suffer huge amount of losses, as on expiry large percentage of options they expire worthless. And our neutral stock watch list for tomorrow is Indian Bank, Mahindra and Mahindra, Rain Industries and Cholamandalam Finance. So we'll look for breakout in either side of the range to establish a position in these stocks. And once again, I'll repeat that I would be posting a blog post in which I would be sharing a long or short bias watch list as well, in which we definitely have a view. However, in these stocks, we don't have any view. We'll look to trade if they break either side of today's high-low range. And finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.